Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing. Download the exact Nvidia driver for your model and the utility now. Make a system restore point. Once done, reboot Windows into safe mode and run the to clean out AMD drivers and related registry entries. You do this because leftover AMD files cause conflicts with Nvidia installs. After they finishes, shut down the PC completely. Do not restart into normal mode yet. Power down so you can swap hardware safely. You now move to hardware. Power off and unplug the system, touch metal to discharge static, and remove the AMD card from the PCIe slot. Once removed, seat the Nvidia card fully until the retention latch clicks, screw it to the chassis, and attach all required 6/8-pin PCIe power cables. Once secured, plug in and boot to Windows. Let the OS detect the new hardware. After detection, run the Nvidia installer you downloaded earlier and choose a clean install when prompted. Once the Nvidia drivers finish installing, open GeForce Experience or the Nvidia control panel to apply optimal settings and set the discrete GPU as the preferred adapter. You should test with a lightweight benchmark or a game to confirm frame rates and temperatures are normal. If something goes wrong, like a black screen, power down, reseat the card, verify all PCIe power connectors are seated, and if needed, reset CMOS or switch to onboard graphics to troubleshoot further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.